Want to turn your Excel worksheet into dark mode with just one click? Here's how. First, select any empty cell. Go to the Developer tab, click Insert, and add a checkbox. Next, right-click the checkbox and choose Format Control. Under the Control tab, set the cell link to the empty cell where you placed the checkbox. Then click OK. Now, when you tick or untick the checkbox, that linked cell will display True or False. Press Ctrl+A to select the entire worksheet. Go to Home and select Conditional Formatting. Then select New Rule. Choose Use a Formula to determine which cells to format option. In the Formula box, type equals and select the cell with the tick box, equals and type True. Click Format, choose Fill Color to black and set the font color to white. Then click OK and OK again. Now simply tick the checkbox and your worksheet instantly switches to dark mode. Untick it to return to the normal view. Easy, right? You don't need Pro Apps anymore. Follow for more quick Excel tips.